Dear cadets, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Cadets, due to corona pandemic, you are staying home. For this, your education is being disrupted. To recover your loss, we arranged online class instead of traditional class. Cadets, I Al Amin, your ICT teacher, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to my online class. Cadets, you know that the corona epidemic has now spread around the world. Bangladesh has also been affected by coronavirus. Coronavirus has been hitting Bangladesh since last March. The corona infection is ongoing in our country. So we have to be very careful and cautious to get rid of COVID-19. Health scientists are advising to strengthen the immune system. So increase immunity to protect yourself from coronavirus. To protect yourself from COVID, you can follow the following eating habits. 1. Eat food rich in vitamin C, like orange, lemon, mango, guava, pineapple, etc. Eat eggs regularly. Eat milk or dairy foods. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Limit food and drinks high in fat, sugar, and salt. Choose both plant and animal-based protein and stay hydrated. Okay, boys. Today's class is class 7, subject Information and Communication Technology, chapter 5. Our today's topic is Internet in Education. Okay, boys, let's start our main topic. Cadets, learning outcome of today's class. After the completion of this topic, you will be able to analyze the importance of internet in education. You will be able to explain the use of internet in education. You will be able to search education related information by using web browser. Boys, we use internet in education in our daily life for different purposes, like downloading books, find out the necessary information, solve complex issue by using various forums, participate in various exam online, assist in research work. Okay, boys, I am going to describe according to sequence. Downloading books. Sometimes our textbook can be lost. In this case, we can download the textbook we need from www.nctb.gov.bd and we can read books online. Find out the necessary information. Cadets, we can get admission information of educational institution. We can get different exam results by using internet. By using internet, we can get exam routine and another necessary information related to education. Cadets, now you get result of different public examinations instantly by using the internet. It was unimaginable a few days ago. People living in the village would come to the city to collect it. Now it can be known just through a SMS or by a click of the mouse. Next, resolve complex issue by joining different forums. We can solve complex problems such as mathematical problem, programming complexity, complex problem of science, and space research by joining different firms. So boys, we can take help to solve various types of problem by joining different firms. When you are going to be a researcher, you can take help from this internet. Participate in different exam online. Boys, there are various websites to test yourself. You can take part here. You will be able to know the number you received immediately. If you want to develop yourself in various subjects, you can take part in the related website. So boys, mind it. Assist in research work. Cadets, we can get the necessary information from the internet to do research on different subjects including science, mathematics, programming, literature, theology, and etc. Boys, why internet in education? Now we are going to discuss why we use internet in education. Cadets, we use internet in education in our daily life. But why we use internet, the most useful technology of modern times, which helps us not only in our daily lives but also in professional lives. For educational purpose, it is widely used to gather information and to do research or add to knowledge of different subjects. Internet plays a vital role in education. It is no doubt that in this modern era, everyone prefers Google for their queries, problems, or doubts. Popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, etc. are the topmost choice of people as they offer an easy and instant reach to the vast amount of information in just a few seconds. It contains a wealth of knowledge that can be searched at any time. The internet has introduced improvement in technology, communication, and online entertainment. Today, it has become more important as well as a powerful tool in the world which is preferred by everyone. Everybody needs internet for their different purpose. Students need internet to search for information related to exam, curriculum, results, etc. You can also follow these steps to achieve success in your student life. Importance of internet in education. Cadets, to the students means that it makes easier for them to search things and relearn the content taught in the school. People use it according to their needs and interests. Cadets, you can see the difference between traditional educational system and educational system through internet, that is called e-learning. The traditional classroom is limited in size, but internet educational system size of this is unlimited. Classroom of traditional system is synchronous, but in e-learning, you can access anytime, anywhere. Content of traditional classroom, it contains PowerPoint, textbook, libraries, video, collaboration. But in internet in education, we use multimedia, simulation, digital library, on-demand, synchronous and asynchronous communication. Traditional classroom, we use on-learning code. But in e-learning, path and pace determined by the learner. Benefit of e-learning through internet. There are many benefits like virtual learning environment, share lessons among institutions, reduce material cost, reduce travel or accommodation cost. Yes, there are many benefits of internet in education. Some of these are cost-effective and affordable education, student teacher and peer education interaction, effective teaching and learning tool, easy access to quality education, interaction with multimedia, keeping you updated with latest information, learning with multimedia. I am going to describe according to sequence. Cost-effective and affordable education. One of the largest barriers to education is high cost. The internet improves the quality of education, which is one of the pillars of sustainable development of a nation. It provides education through video and web tutorials, which is affordable to everyone and cost effective. Student, teacher, and peer interaction. The internet has allowed students to be constant touch with their teachers or with other fellow classmates with the help of social media, messaging apps, and chat forums. Parents can interact as well as communicate with teachers and school authorities about their kids' performance in the institution. Interaction with the like-minded people on forums can help students to explore new ideas and enrich their knowledge. Effective teaching and learning tools. The internet has become a major tool for effective teaching as well as learning tool. Teacher can use it as a teaching tool by posting their teaching materials. Interaction with digital media. Regular use of digital media is one of the most basic parts of our lives. Digital bulletin boards, save paper, allow displaying of videos and audios to attract the attention of students. Nowadays, there are many paid sites which provide education resources which are rich in quality and easily understandable to mass people. Keeping you updated with latest information. Information is the largest advantage which the internet is offering. There is a huge amount of information available for every subject. It keeps us up to date with the latest information regarding the subject in which we are interested. Learning with multimedia. It helps the students with the learning process as it helps to simplify the knowledge. It helps to visualize what is being taught by the teachers in institution. If you want to prepare final exam, you can access video tutorials and other resources online through the internet. Boys, there are some use of internet in teaching and learning. Research. The internet is a wealth of information and is one of the best ways to find information fast and efficiently. There are some search engines like google.com, yahoo.com, and bing.com. Blogs. Blogs can offer a variety of information about certain topics. Blogs can be subject specific, such as biology blogs, math blogs, English blogs, etc. Student and teacher can create their own blogs easily with such as sites. Educational video. Education video are available on many websites and they can capture the student's attention better than books or lecture. Video can be a grateful supplement in additional to text or lecture. Tutorials and simulation are available in video format. Career development. Many students use the internet for either start planning their careers. So, furthering their careers, many websites exist to help a student decide on college course that fit their expected careers. Many students use the internet to continue their education, in essence, furthering or strengthening their career. Social networking. Many websites provide a way for people to interact with each other. Facebook is widely used social networking site that allows groups of people to follow one another on a more social level. LinkedIn is widely used in business for networking professionals. Collaboration. By using internet, many students and teachers need the ability to share their work and thought with others in their community. Collaboration sites include gotomeeting.com, slideshare.com, etc. Google also has created a set of Google apps for collaboration purpose. Boys, we are going to end our today's class. There is a homework for you. Write down the importance of internet in education. Cadets, the traditional speech according to our time demand to prevent the spread of COVID-19, you can follow some steps. Clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub at least 20 seconds after every 2 hours. Maintain a social distance between yourself and others. Refrain from going to public gathering. That means avoid going to crowded places. Avoid touching eyes, nose, mouth with dirty hand. If you want to go out for any emergency reason, you must wear a mask. Stay home if you feel unwell. Overall, keep yourself up to date on latest information about COVID-19 from trusted sources like World Health Organization, Johns Hopkins University, and our Ministry of Health. Okay, boys, I am finishing here. Talk to you soon and keep up the good content. Thank you, everybody.